electronics manufacturing, time lost during feeder setup and material replenishment adds up quickly. Manual loading, frequent changeovers, and complex handling can slow production and introduce avoidable errors, even for experienced operators. As manufacturers push for higher uptime and more consistent output, many are looking for ways to reduce manual intervention and improve reliability on the production floor. This is where Panasonic's auto setting feeder, ASF, comes in. Component loading and replenishment are among the most common activities in SMT production, and they directly influence productivity and downtime. ASF was developed to simplify this reality by automating tape loading and reducing the amount of operator involvement required to get feeders ready and keep lines running. By lowering training requirements and minimizing operator intervention, ASF helps reduce setup time and improve overall line efficiency. Traditional intelligent tape feeders, or ITF, were designed for flexibility, but that flexibility often comes with added complexity. ASF takes a different approach. Each ASF feeder is dedicated to a single tape width. That reduces confusion and cuts down on extra material handling. It simplifies feeder management, changeovers, and program optimization. ASF also delivers higher accuracy and faster indexing, enabling reliable feeding of small components. The result is a cleaner, simpler feeder strategy compared to traditional ITF systems. ASF is designed to integrate into existing Panasonic machine platforms without disrupting current production environments. The ASF C cart uses a compatible mechanical interface to traditional ITF carts, allowing ASF technology to be adopted on current Panasonic machine platforms without requiring machine modifications. Auto-setting feeders are used exclusively with the ASF C cart, while traditional ITF feeders remain on standard feeder carts. Both cart types can be used on the same machine, for example, with a standard cart on the right and a C cart on the left. Additionally, the two cart types are interchangeable in the same location with the change of the program. This allows customers to transition gradually while protecting existing investments. ASF is built to simplify both initial setup and ongoing production. Automatic loading supports both paper and embossed tape with minimal operator interaction. The ergonomic design makes handling easier, and the integrated display provides clear status and guidance. ASF also provides significantly improved placement performance, delivering up to 120% higher accuracy compared to traditional ITF feeders. For higher volume applications, the optional load unit enables continuous replenishment, allowing production to run longer with fewer interruptions and lower consumable cost. Once the tape is prepared, ASF automatically loads and indexes it to the pick position without removing the feeder from the machine. This reduces handling and speeds up setup compared to traditional feeders. The optional load unit enables the next reel to be prepared while the current reel is running, allowing replenishment without stopping production or performing splices. For customers who choose not to use a load unit, ASF also supports efficient tape splicing. By detecting the presence of blue splice tape, the loading process remains simple and fast, helping maintain productivity even when splicing is required. This streamlined process reduces the time required to set up jobs offline and can reduce tape loading time by up to 2 times compared to traditional feeders. The difference in loading time is clear. Automatic setting feeders can be loaded in approximately 31 seconds, while traditional ITF feeders typically require 58 seconds or more, not including reinsertion time. Faster loading means quicker job setup, reduced labor, and fewer opportunities for error. ASF also supports strip tape feeding, making it well-suited for prototyping, NPI, and short production runs, helping manufacturers move smoothly between prototype and production work. Panasonic offers a range of tools and accessories that support efficient ASF operations. Tape preparation tools and reel management options allow material to be prepared at receiving and kitting areas or directly at the production line. For continuous operation and high runner components, extended reel holder options allow current and next reels to be staged simultaneously. The auto-setting feeder and C-cart platform establish a foundation for continued innovation in feeder and material handling technology. While future automation concepts continue to be explored, ASF is designed today to improve efficiency, consistency, and usability on the production floor. ASF isn't just a faster feeder, it's a smarter way to run your production line.